Are you gonna come see what Santa got you or what? Come on, Pokey.
Oh, I forgot it.
Huh?
Forgot it.
Forgot what?
Forgot my backpack.
Well, we'll go get it. You gonna see what Santa else brought you here?
I'm gonna do Christmas. Ah, Christmas Yoshi. I didn't
Where are you
take my
going?
shoes off. I'm taking my shoes off.
Alright, Pokey.
Ow.
Don't get too excited, dude. Come on, old man.
Wow, he brought me. Yes, he brought me Donkey Kong Country Returns. Wow, he brought me lots of stuff. Is that a DS Charger? Or is that a white DS cover?
It's a DS Charger, buddy.
Yay, new DS.
All the things you get excited about. You get excited about the Charger.
Battleship.
There's other ways to take that jacket off, son.
Battleship. Cool. I got a battleship. Yoshi. Really good Yoshi. Ooh. Wow. Fun.
Some M&Ms.
Gummy lightsabers. She's still in the stocking.
Hmm?
Yes. What'd you get, Daddy? Movies?
Mm-hmm.
Lego.
Skittles.
Skittles. Oh, baseball bat for me.
Yeah, that's a real baseball bat.
Well, real one for me.
Yeah, if you want to play T-ball, you got to get you a real bat.
No.
We'll have to practice in the backyard when you play.
Oh, I know how to play baseball.
Yeah, but you haven't used a real bat. You've always used those plastic bats and plastic balls. We'll get real balls and hit real balls.
Another one.
Yep. Who's that?
Different Jeff Gordon.
Oh.
Yoshi, you look really good. I want to see what Nemo and Papa got me.
Okay.
And everybody else.
All right.
Can you tell me which one?
Did you like the Legos you got there? You didn't seem to.
Which ones are mine?
All of them are yours.
What?
All those are yours.
You don't miss them. To Colin from, is this?
Let me see. What's it say?
To Colin from, I can't read that in cursive.
Zoe and Colton.
What is this thing? Is this a box?
Looks that way.
Looks like something's in the box.
Yeah. See how it works.
That's how we do it?
Yeah, you can't just wrap it up with paper to. Can you get it open?